Hello again. Today we're talking about how to program your different hydraulic valves. First up, we can go into the menu here, and from here you can see all the different valves which are available. For example, if now I wanted to program the front loader to the joystick, I could press there, and then we have this screen visible. If I simply press that button, the loader button, it then programs the loader to the joystick. If, for example, on the drive lever I would like to program the rear valves there, I could press 1R, and now 1R is on the uppermost hydraulic lever. Okay, now you might want to, for example, change the flow settings on your hydraulics. That's also really easy. Simply go back to the home menu, swipe across to the rear settings. There we go. We now have the rear valves visible here. I want to now change the settings for the first valve on the rear. You press there and you have this menu. You can set the hydraulic flow rate like this. If you want separate for plus and minus, press that button there and you can then use these individually. You can choose also whether when you press the lever to its extreme position that it is in continuous mode or a timed mode, or also in float. If you want the valve to be a priority valve, simply press the star there and you have it as a priority valve. If you want to lock the valve so it's no longer being used, simply press the lock button and the job's good. If while you're in the hydraulic settings you want to go and change the settings for the front valves, that's also very simple. Simply press the picture of the front of the tractor and away you go. You've now got your front valves there. On these SmartTouch tractors there is Hydraulic Assistant. Hydraulic Assistant automatically raises engine RPMs when using hydraulic valves, so to make sure you have the most efficient and powerful hydraulics possible. Hydraulic Assistant is very easy to turn on and off. It is activated by this button in the top left hand corner. When it's green, it is on. Press it again, it turns off. All functions, all settings, always saved in profiles. Change machine, change profile. Your hydraulic settings are there at a touch of a button yet again.
Valtra, your working machine.